Hey guys! Welcome to Dashcam Clips of the month of January, where we put together our favorite customer clips for this month just for you. Hope everyone had a great start to the year. Remember that you too can submit your dashcam footage to us for a $20 gift card to the link found on our website. Let's dive into it! So our favorite American taxi driver, Rick, submitted this clip of a swarm of ATVs and dirt bikes going crazy at an intersection. They don't only take the entirety of the street on the opposite side, but some come over to the other side. And that's clearly not a good idea, specifically for that quad not being able to fit through. Some people in the comments even said that they would have taken the quad as a compensation for hitting their car. What do you think? So we have prepared a new category for you guys called Police Encounters Caught on Dashcam. Let's roll the next clip. Wait for it, you're in for a surprise. Just wait for it. I'm sure our friend Solomon was just as surprised as you are right now. Make sure you guys have your eyes on the road as you never know what's gonna happen next. Now for our next clip submitted by Quincy from the US, we have a story you will feel sorry for. Check out the frustrating encounter between this traffic cop and the SUV. The traffic cop finds himself talking to a wall, and we presume he walks out of frustration. We feel your pain.
Their memories would then be altered by one of the members of the New Mutants, who'd hope to save Colossus the pain.
Now the next clip will give you an adrenaline shot. Up next.
Present timeline, Colossus had no recollection of how she'd been infected. After her death in Uncanny X-Men, issue number 303, the former X-Men who had been searching for a cure when she died would ultimately leave the group burdened with guilt, leading to his joining Magneto's forces for a time. With all three variants of the legacy virus infecting humans and mutants, Moira McTaggart, a longtime ally of the X-Men and one of Earth's top geneticists, who was the first manual
911, what's location of your emergency?
I'm currently at 290. I'm pursuing someone.
290 and what?
290 and going 290 north. I'm currently pursuing someone hit me. I'm in a car.
Do you have the license plate number?
I'm currently. Wait a second. What the hell?
Don't put yourself in harm's way.
Do
you have a license plate number?
No, I don't. But I have a dashcam footage. Oh my god.
Okay, well you need to. Okay, well then pull over. Stop following them. You don't know who they are, if they have weapons, and you're gonna get yourself hurt.
Its plate number is GWP 1705. That's
Okay,
G.
pull over. D as in David or G as in George?
George. WP
Okay.
1705.
Okay, pull over. Stop following them.
I'm on Gessner Road right now.
Alright, so you're at Gessner in the Tomball Parkway?
Yes, Tokyo, Japan, Sushi and Grill.
What is your name?
My name is Eric.
Do you need an ambulance?
It's pulling over right now. Oh my god.
Do you need an ambulance?
I don't need an ambulance. I just need a police officer.
Okay, so currently right now you're in Houston Police Department's jurisdiction. Where did the accident happen at?
290.
This clip is one of my favorites because of the different angles of the story. Check it out. Can you take a guess at what's happening?
Yep. Yep.
You can't go forward and then back out?
As in, like, you want me to go like, yeah, I can do it. Okay. 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 Sweet. All right. Thanks, guys. Hey Siri, call in Shinto.
Calling Lynn Shinto. Mobile.
Hey girlfriend,
But,
guess what? A tree almost fell on my car.
What are the chances? Up next, we have a heated situation in which Chuck, our favorite person, got himself into. Check it out. Oh, did you spot that? Our next category of the day is truck encounters caught on dashcam. Get ready. Damn, such a narrow space. So this is actually one of our most controversial videos. Most people agreed that it was the driver's fault for not allowing enough space for the truck to go comfortably and safely around the roundabout. Trucks block up to 2 lanes whenever they make turns to avoid accidents just like this one. On the other side, other people in the comments said that the truck gave no previous indication or that there should be a sign in the roundabout specifying to leave space to trucks. Well, the trucking community reacted to this video, and our conclusion is that leaving room for trucks to safely make this kind of maneuvers is the way to go and should be a common known traffic rule anywhere. If it's bigger than you, give way, or this will be a hard-learned lesson for you. Here we have a pretty peaceful, great rear view of a construction tractor. Oh, the peace didn't last long. Up next, from Vancouver's worst drivers. Seems like that bus was not planning on stopping there. What do you think? Also, shout out to our British Columbians watching this. I'm sure you'll recognize this. Then we have Christina, the traffic reporter, and her friend, advocates for traffic safety, that also happen to enjoy listening to Dua Lipa on the radio.
Oh, hello. Oh my god, what do you mean? What? That was totally the Honda's fault. What an idiot.
Do you guys agree? Up next, we have another submission from our all-time favorite, Ricky, the taxi driver. Check it out. I'll give you guys a clue. What the driver was missing was patience. Patience is a virtue, guys. On our next clip, Pedro experienced a very close truck encounter.
But you guys would like command a favor. When he saw that AAV, anomalous aerospace vehicle, his reaction was, I was going that way.
But I was going that way too. And for our last clip, check out how this camper van decided to turn right.
Continue for 1 mile. What?
Wow. And he kept going.
And that is the end of Dashcam clips of the month of January. Hope you guys like this one. Don't forget to submit your Dashcam footage for a $20 gift card. See you next month!